Good morning, it's Ashley here at Mulberry Branch Farm again. We're out here today trying to get our chores done. As you can tell out there, winter came, we've got some snow. Earlier last week it was about 50 degrees here in Indiana and raining, and it is now in the teens. We have snow and Mother Nature's really tossed it up on us, but the chores still got to get done. Goats still have to be fed, chickens have to be let out, so you guys come along with me on my chores and see how fast we can get them done this morning. From that camera. Chickens. Somebody doesn't want me to show you guys the chickens. Hey, Wolfie. Back up, Poseidon. Get back up. gosh, the toddlers. Snack time. Here goes. Yeah. Spread out a little bit. Look at that. Wow, guys, that was a lot like feeding some really angry little toddlers that have been waiting hours past their snack time. These girls act like they haven't been fed since last night, but they do get hay twice a day. They are our bred does. They will be kidding here in the next 2 weeks due to a young buck getting in and proving he knew exactly what he was doing. I'm sure some of my fellow goat lovers out there and goat farmers have all dealt with the same thing. Whenever you think they're too young, they're not too young. They're born knowing exactly what they're supposed to do. I hope you guys join me again this evening for our night feeding. We'll be graining everybody. It's a little bit slow here at Mulberry Farms because it's winter. We can't be outside growing, or we're wanting to get our beehives going or anything like that. We're trying to get our babies on the ground, safe and sound. These girls milking and up on the stand to get ready for some ad-linear appraisals, for some fairs, for some shows. So I hope you guys stick with us through our journey. This is new to me. It's kind of weird talking into a camera like this, but you know, we're gonna try to make a go of it and chronicle this as we go along and chronicle my family, and I hope you guys enjoy watching as much as I do making these. Thanks, guys. Bye.